This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so we'll take here some simple data we are going to take it. Let me go to the get the data. Then we are going for our SQL server. Then we are providing localhost. We'll say RR DB, and OK. Then we are trying to take here DEPT and EMP, and click on here load. We'll go and try to take here some columns from both the tables. We'll try to take it. So now we can notice I have some columns. We are trying to take here e-name, then job, then salary. Some 3 columns we are trying to take it. If needed, we also take here d-name. Also, we'll try to take it. So we have, these are the 4 columns. What we have: d-name, then e-name, then job, then salary. I want to go for some kind of conditional formatting based on the salary column. I want to do it. So select this table, whatever we have it, then go to here format option. Then we have here conditional formatting option. Let us go and try to select here conditional formatting. Based on what column you want to do this conditional formatting, we can go and we can select here. I want to do conditional formatting, let us say based on the salary. So what type of conditional formatting you want to do? You want to change the background color, or font color, or data bars, or you want to show the icons, or you want to show the web URL. These are the 5 options which are available. Time being, I want to go with the font color, or I go with the background color. I will go first. Background color I selected here on. The moment I say on, did you notice there or not, I got here smallest value to biggest value, the color thickness of the blue is increased. The color thickness of the blue is increased. For small value, we got here light color blue. For bigger value, we got here more thickness of the blue, we got it, correct? Now what I want is, I want my custom colors, I want it, custom conditions, I want it. Then you need to go for here advanced controls. We have to go click on here advanced controls. Then we get here background color based on the salary you are doing. You are doing on the column called as salary, and you are working with the background color you are working. And color scale is the by default one what we have. Minimum lowest value it's showing with this color, highest value it's showing with this color, lowest value to highest value it is moving something, color thickness will be keep on increasing as this bar is showing, similar to that. That's how it's going on time being. Now you want something else, you want it, okay, let us go and try to say not the color scale, I want here based on the rules I want to go. Select here the rules. I want if the value is greater than or equal to, let us say 1000, greater than or equal to 0, let us give it as first 0 value, it is 0 number. If it is greater than or equal to 0 number and less than or equal to, let us say 1000, that means he's getting the salary between 0 and 1000 is getting. Surviving in the market is very difficult. You cannot get the daily needs, you cannot purchase it, the purchase capability will not have it. So we can say as under poverty. Under poverty people are given some benefits by government. Almost all the countries are following the strategy, okay, and they're giving free of cost, okay, the rice or the free of cost, whatever it is, the ration, whatever they need for the daily needs, they are providing it. So to identify them in the red color, we are trying to provide here as a red, we are saying it, okay, 0 to 1000 number we are giving the color as red. Suppose as of now I clicked on OK here. Now you can notice between 0 and 1000 whatever numbers are available, I am able to see a thousand red color or not. Between 0 and 1000 I am seeing here red color, I am seeing it. So this is called as some conditional formatting. I want to increase the condition, I want to increase it. There is a plus symbol which is nothing but new rule. You can click on this new rule and you can say as okay, if it is 1002 greater than or equal to 1002, I want to go for 3000, I want to go. These people are, let's take as middle class family. For them, we don't want to give any ration to them. Okay, something like that. Then we want to mark them as okay, they are something called as this color I am providing it. Now you can see between 1000 to 3000, all the numbers are colored differently. And above 3000 and below 5000, wherever is available, I want to make as green color. I want to make it as these are creamy people or rich people in the market. I want to say like that. For example, 3000 to 5000, then I am saying as a green color, I am providing it. Let us go and try to provide here the green color. So I am saying as green color. Then say click on OK. Now you can say this is green color. We are able to see 3000 to 5000 between. Above 5000, let's say creamy layer people, you want to use some other color, you can give it. Something like that. Based on the condition we are doing here, some formatting we are doing. I played with the salary column. I played with the background color. I played it. Can you go on? Can you play with other column called as D name? Based on the department name, I want to provide the things, let us say. Then how we can do it? Let me copy this and paste it. Okay, I copied and I pasted. Now I got one more thing. Now this is the second table, whatever you have it. In the second table, I am going again. In the second table, I am going again conditional formatting. So we know here in the conditional formatting is on the salary column. What I will do is in the second one, whatever we have it, I am going to the salary column, whatever we have it. There is a conditional formatting option on okay, and I want to remove that conditional formatting. All I want to remove on the second one. You provide the conditional formatting, but I want to remove all the things I want to remove it. Click on all. Now it is now normally it is available, right? Here I want to provide, for example, differently I want to provide it. So I selected this, then go back to the format, then go to the conditional formatting. Now we can go on, we can say as background color on, but this time I am playing around on the dname column, background color I am playing. So dname column rules we are trying to apply, the rules is equal to, okay, we want to go for count of dname or based on what you want to go. That we have to go on, we have to select here based on what column we have to select it. So dname column based, we want to do it here, count of this dname, how many are available, something like that. Whatever condition you want, basically you can go on, you can do that one. So it is not a measure. That is the reason this example count may not be suitable. Go for the field value, that will be very good. Okay, dname column, whatever we have here, the dname value uh, uh, field value is first or last, whatever available. You want to do something, you want to do it means you can go on, you can apply here. Am I clear? So you have the freedom to apply based on whatever field, based on whatever tables differently. You can go on, you can do that one. Now, similarly, I am expecting font color. Okay, let us select this one. I want to work with the font color in this table. And better is always, measure is the best one. Let me take the measure. Then I want to do the font color. I want to do based on the salary. Now, this font, I am trying to change something. Again, same rules kind of thing I am applying. So it is 0 to 1000. 0 to 1000. I want to provide here as some color as red color I want to provide it. Then notice here, this is 0 to 1000. I got here red color, I got it. This time we are not doing the background color, we are doing the font color, we are doing it. Similarly, do other two rules also, we can go on, we can do it. Second, third rule we are doing, and we say this as 1000, and this one we say as number, this one we say as 3000, this one we say as number, okay, and this one we say as, okay, 3000, and this one we say as, let us say 6000. Okay, now we are going for this as yellow, and we are saying this as, let us say green, okay, something green. Now we are clicking on OK. Now you can see accordingly these colors and everything are changed here. Okay, similarly we can go and we can play around data bars. Let me copy this, and I am trying to paste into another page. I am trying to paste here. So I want to remove this whatever colors I applied. Let me go to the salary, remove the conditional formatting. I am saying as all. I want to apply here data bars. I want to apply. So select this, then go to the formats. Then we have here conditional formatting. Now we can go on, we can select here data bars. Okay, we experienced about background color, font color. Mostly these two things only we are going to use most of the places. But still we'll try to see other things also, we'll try to see it. Next on the way we have here, let me make this as salary, so that data bars we have it. Select the data bars. The moment I select the data bars, based on the value I got here, the bar size is increased. The bar size is increased. It looks like inside the table we are plotting some kind of graph. We are plotting something looks like that. That's what called as data bars. What we have. Let me go for one more thing. I am trying to do here one more thing. For this, I am trying to remove here conditional formatting. I am removing it. Then I want to go for this time other conditional formatting. I want experience with this one. So going to the conditional formatting on the column called as salary column, I am doing it. Then we want to go for icons. Icons I am trying to say as on. Then say as see here, automatically I got here some kind of icons, we got it. These icons you can go and you can customize it. Click on here advanced controls. By default 0 to 33% is available. This icon we are getting it. You want to go for different icons, you want to go, you can go and you can select here. 0 to 33% means, let's say down arrow mark I want to give it. 67 to 100% means I want to give, let's say green up arrow mark you want to give it. And if it is nothing is available, something I want to give whatever you want, some kind of flag, let be the triangle. So like that, we can go and we can change these icons. Also, we can go and we can change it. Am I clear? This is what you need to know about conditional formatting. Based on the condition, we are doing some formatting, some colors we are trying to apply. This is conditional formatting. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay, good.